Hello, this is Evgenia. Today I would like to show you how I do correction with hard gel on my nails. So the first step, I use an e-file to remove a previous product, leaving a tiny bit of a base on my nails. So I try not to file the nails all the way through the nail to the nail plate. I have to, however, remove all of the material that has detached from my natural nail to have something that's lasts afterwards. When removing the product, it is important to try to have a smooth surface because afterwards, when you're gonna apply other gels on top, it's gonna be a lot easier to create uneven layers and beautiful nails. So when removing, I really try to have a continuous strokes from the starting of my nail to the tip. This allows me to remove the product more evenly. This is I have the two ends removed, the previous products. Next, to do a manicure, it is important to detach the cuticle if it's stuck to the nail plate. For my manicure, I'm using the e-filr manicure. And on forward, I do the left side, and on the reverse, I do the right side. This cleans up all of the skin that is stuck to my nail plate, and this also clean up the sides of the nail. So now it's on reverse, and I do the other side the same way. It is important not to push on the e-filr, not to push on the nail, because you don't want to damage your nail plate. You just have to remove everything that is really stuck to it, all the skin and all the other dead cells, to just have the nail plate cleaned. And I try to push a little bit the skin, so, but not too far. You don't want to damage the client and not to damage the nail plate. So really taking your time is the key here. Still on reverse, I'm going to be not going underneath the cuticle. I'm gonna go pushing on the cuticle and going from the right to the left. This is gonna bring up my cuticle, and as you can see, I don't have really a big cuticle, and it doesn't really stick that much to my nail. And by doing so a couple of times, all the extra cuticle that is already dead, it's just going to file off. And as you can see, there's no redness, there's no blood. I'm not applying too much pressure to do so. It is not supposed to have any discomfort at this stage. Oh, it is also important to always clean up the cuticle when filing it, and when filing on the nail plate because you want to see what you are removing to avoid damaging your nails. Next, I'm just going to take a little bowl with red marking and just remove all the dried up skin. Right now my skin gets really dry and I just want to have them nice and clean. So this is what I have. As you can see, there's no redness, there's no blood, there's no damages to the nail or to the skin. Right now I'm just going to take a file and I'm going to pass on the nail plates to make them even more even, and I'm going to file the nails to the desired shape and length. This is what I have so far. Next, to make sure that all the other products are there properly and are there where they're supposed to, I'm cleaning the cuticles and all the nails from all the dust. Then I'm dehydrating the nail plates. Then I'm gonna use a acid primer. This is the first time that I try it. I usually have separation of the products from my nails on the sides because I play around with my nails a lot actually. So I'm gonna try to apply a little bit of primer just on those areas. Next, I'm gonna use a rubber base. It is a very thick elastic base that adheres quite well to the nail, and usually you would have less separation of the products from your nail plate while using rubber bases. So once again, I'm trying this right now. I'll tell you in the next videos if it holds better. So I'm applying a fine amount of the base, and I found it easier to apply it with actually a brush and not the brush from the container of the base. It's just easier to apply, and I make sure to really cover the whole nail plate. I cured the base for 30 seconds in my LED lamp with the Ev.N lamp. Now I have one of my thumbs that the length is not as long as the other one, and I decided not to file all my nails but to repair that. To do so, I'm using a hard gel and I'm using a clear form. And if you don't file your form, the gel is not going to stick to it, so I can just apply it to my nail, fix it, and then easily remove it. So when I applied the tip with the gel, first I fixed it on place with a little UV lamp that I have, like a little flashlight. Then I cured it to completion 1 minute in my bigger lamp, and I filed to desired length. What I'm going to do next is to create a proper shape of the nails, and so I create an apex, and also I straighten my nails. So this is a hard gel. First I apply a very thin layer, and on top of this layer I'm gonna put more product. And the gel is gonna go separate evenly on the nail plate where there's already previous product applied. Instead, take more gel, put it next to the cuticle but not underneath it. And I spread it on the nail plate. Make sure I have enough on the sides for them not to break. When I turn over my hand like this, is for the gel to gather up in the center of the nail where I want more product to be, and to kind of go away from the sides, for the sides not to have too much product in it, so the shape of the nail will be beautiful. When I'm satisfied how the nail is, I cure it in the lamp. First a little bit of this for the product to stay in place, then for 1 minute in my big UV lamp. This is how it looks. Then if ever I see that there's some nails that I don't really like how the shape was, even after trying to have the perfect shape, I file them a little bit. Next, for the design. So on some nails, I'm just gonna have a kind of a white, grayish pastel color. It's a gel color. And on others, I have a more complex design. Other nails I have a more complex design. I'm going to use a white gel color, and I do very thin lines on the nails, so they're gonna delimit where more color is gonna be, or where I will have no color, just keep a nude beige. Once I'm satisfied, I cure them for 30 seconds in my lamp, and I use a chrome powder. This is a very interesting chrome powder that I got from AliExpress. It comes in a little stick. To fix the chrome powder on the nails, I pass them over with a top coat, and I cure the top coat for 1 minute. Next, I'm going to use the same gel that I used on my thumb and fill up all the areas between my two lines. Trying to do so as evenly as possible. However, with the pastel colors like this, it's very difficult to have a nice coverage without any stripes. For a second coat, I cure the gel color for 1 minute in between the coats. Then I decided to add a little bit of sparkle with some of my glitter. Then I apply a bit of a foil. I will fix everything with a no white top coat. And on top of that, I decided to put a matte top coat on the white parts. And for everything to shine, I put a bit of a clear top coat on top of them. And this is what I have. Thank you for watching.